Hey guys, how are you doing today? So today we'll be talking about Canva today, and I'm going to teach you how to design in Canva, knowing the parts, the interface, what each tool is used for and all. So if you are a newbie in Canva, follow me and let's just get this started. So before we get started, I'm Popol Absalam and I talk about marketing, design and branding. So if you're interested in that type of content, please subscribe to this channel and follow me for more. Thank you. So I'll be recording my screen now and we'll get started. Okay, now it's recorded. So now just type canva.com. Yes. So now if you are not signed in, it would ask you to sign in and all. But like if you're just opening a new account, type canva.com, you put your Google or Facebook account. That's what you sign in through, and that's the end. But if you are signed in already, this is just what it will show. Now I'm going to use my Canva free account. There are total Canva. There's Canva Pro and there's Canva free. So I'm going to use the Canva free account to explain some things to you. You get. So firstly, let's talk about this top panel here. Like this is just the home screen. Nothing special. This is the home screen. This is where we are. The templates. You can see Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook post, Facebook covers, YouTube channel art, LinkedIn banners, so many things that you can make here. There are so many things you can make here, so many. Also goes to features to free photos. That's it. You can look for your Android, iOS, Windows, or that. But currently we're using a web browser. That's the same. But if you don't download it, just come here and download for whichever device you're using. And you can also learn. Canva gives free tutorials. Canva for education, Canva personal branding, social media mastery, graphic design basics, and so much more. So if you are planning on learning more about design, Canva does that, so that would be great. This side panel here too, this is recommended for you, what you can do here in Canva, design anything, presentations, look at this, social media, Instagram post, Facebook post, videos, yeah, marketing, just the office, like brand and stuff. Then you see more, just infographics and so much more. Now you can check all your designs here, all the designs you've made in Canva. So these are all my designs I've made so far. So many designs. So now let's share with you. Okay, this one I was sharing me one time. I didn't even do it. My brand. So you have to be using Canva Pro to use this feature, but at the time I was using Canva Pro, yes, I was allowed to use all this. So this was my brand font and all. You can even put your own personal fonts too. Canva is awesome. Now you can also create a team in Canva, but you have to be using Canva Pro too. So this Canva folders, just there, nothing special about them. To create a new folder, you have to purchase a Pro account. Yes. And you can also throw away some designs that you don't use anymore. So that's the thing about the interface for now. So now since we talk about interface, let's just create a new design, and this is where you come to create a design here. You can just make an Instagram post like the one I talked about earlier, and this one is about those traits of successful people. You get. So now let's just first have a black background. It's mostly black background people use, So now you can drag your text here all the way here if you're using Canva, or you can just type T. No, just type T and your text will come up here. Either one you use. So now whatever you want to write now, let's say trade. Okay, that's good. Now it's not centered well. You come in position. Okay, I think centered over here now. Now you can reduce the size to this person here. You can change the font over here. Let's just be about nowhere. Just type the font you want. You can just keep scrolling. Those that are free, you can use them, and those that have the crown icon, you can't use them. Currently, I'll just use Bebas nowhere. I don't know. It looks like to fit it perfectly, and you just drag it up here, and that's it for that. Now, two successful people. Now, they are, for me, I just like thought of 4 traits they go to gym, they exercise well. That's meaning they wake up early, they are productive, and I'll get the last one. Don't get it. So elements. These are the elements you recently used, and shapes, graphics, photos, videos, and audios. So there's frames, there's grids, and there's so much more. So since we're going to talk about two successful people, so now those are doing I made that earlier. So now it starts. They're always working, like they're productive, they work. So let's use this. I know it's free, so we can use that, and it also comes with magic recommendations, so you can try this out, but we don't need it now. So now they wake up early. Wake up early. So now if you wake up early, which one describes it most? This clock isn't that bad in describing it. So which one again? They read. Always keep learning. It's important, So they read, and which one describes it? You can just come to graphics here, so you can set it well. So it's being only things that are editable. And let's use this. I like this. This looks cute. And one more thing. Oh yeah, they go to gym. Yeah, and this guy. Let's use this. It looks like it fits the. No, don't worry. Let's just use this guy. Yeah. So let's just know what to do. The size of this. We need this text to show up well. So this is this. And this is this. Yeah. So that's it. You can duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D, or you just come here, you press copy. You come here, you press paste, and it will still paste it for you there. So now just post my account. So in case you guys can follow me, that'll be awesome, on Instagram. So that's at ay.create. So now I talk about marketing, design, and social media marketing and design. I talk about that on my Instagram account. So that'll be awesome. I would like to know if you came from there. So thanks. Just send a hi. To be awesome. So now the colors don't match the brand. Now that's the importance of having a brand color. But in the meantime, let's just stick with 3 colors I want to use here. Let's use white. Say white, blue, and dark blue. That will make sense. So this is the white here. Let's change this to dark blue. This one I call it white. Okay. Yeah, for the hair, I think black would do. For this here, I think white would do. So now we'll just make the same thing here. We'll use less colors, making them more attractive. And this one cannot be edited. I don't know why. And this is this guy here, so we'll give him another color. So okay there. It still looks branded a bit more. The colors are more synchronized and all. So now let's come back here to text and to bring it in. Now we'll just need to duplicate it by pressing Alt and move your text, or you just press Ctrl D and to duplicate. Yeah, the font, you can change the font to the font you want, but I think Open Sans is okay currently. You can even group each of them, like now this and this. You just come all the way here to this icon here and you press group. So I'll do that for the menu now, or you just press Ctrl G, boom, bam 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 boom, and that's it. And also group over here too. I think I need to reduce the size. No, it's okay. And group. Wow, that's my concept. So now you can duplicate your page over here. You can add a new, instead of duplicating, you can just add a new page. It should show you this. But when you duplicate your page, it will bring whatever was the former page to this page. Yeah, you can delete that one now. I don't know what again should I tell you. Like you can, there are folders, like there's a folder icon here. You can import photos, styles, audios, videos, background and all. Now you can change the background here. You can even integrate apps. You can integrate your Facebook, your Instagram, Bitmoji, Giphy, Google Maps, Emoji, Embeds, Pixabay, Google Drive, YouTube's. Let's get background here. What is? Oh, that's really cool, Oh, I don't have to do that. Oh, that one. No. What is? I think if you click over here, not change, just a bit. So I think yeah, this really makes sense. So that's awesome, right? Yeah. Now it automatically saves to your I don't know how to call it, to your brand, I guess, to the cloud, so you never lose it as you're working to be saving. So make sure your internet connection is connected before it can work. So let's say you tap on this, you can make the page, how the page will come up and all is blocked. Everything in the page will be blocked. Like swipe there, if you see it. So you can see how many seconds you want it. Or let's just give it at 5 seconds. Then you can animate each element here. You can use typewriter here. You can use typewriter here too. For a text, typewriter. Really nice, so nice. And this text is better. What is this? Animate. I can now use rise. Now you see what I'm talking about when I'm done with designing this. Rise. I'm just trying something out. So now you can just check what you were making so far. Here. Yeah, you can close it. But in the meantime, we've done this and we can download it as a video. To download from Canva now, you can see suggested over here. You see PNG, JPG, PDF, print, SVG. You know what they use those for websites and design and all. And this is the video. I'm saying that's a GIF, only a short clip, understand? So now it depends on what you want to use it for. Now I'm going to save it as, but it doesn't have any sound. I download it. Nice to download over here. It may take a little while, and that's it. So this is it. This is the design we just made now. It's nice. Let's do it again. See? So now you can add effects to it and all. And that's it. All made in Canva. Like damn, this video we learned the interface of Canva, the UI and all. We also learned how to make designs in Canva. We also learned how to make animation in Canva. Yeah, those are the main things we actually learned. That's a lot, you know. We learned design, animation, and the UI interface. So I feel like if you really gain value from this video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. I would definitely appreciate it. Also check out my Instagram, ay.creator, like I mentioned there. You will love it there. Or my personal page, my personal life and all. That are samples team. I talk about mindsets and helping people find their way, but it's more like personal stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you enjoyed this other too over here. Subscribe to my channel here. Yes, I really appreciate you. So go get some vibes. Stay cool, stay fresh, stay safe. Peace out.